You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. Yes, I know it is a little bit confusing, but it's actually very easy. In the end, named after the founder of the company, Kevin. If you want to learn more names of automobiles that are confusing, I've got more for you at the end of this video. Pronounced Czinger. It's an American company. The C is not pronounced in this case. It would probably be pronounced differently in other languages, but it's an American company, so it's pronounced the American way, Czinger. Czinger, or in British English, that would be Zinger. Czinger. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.